As the sun sets, we begin the delicate process of harvesting. We carefully pick the ripest clusters. These grapes are almost ready. Let's check the sugar levels with the new scanner.
Harvesting now in the cool morning air is critical. It locks in the freshness and stops fermentitis. This new scale allows us to quickly verify the yield. As you can see, the clusters are weighing over. Watch the clearance on the left.
Okay, bring the lift up. Secure that pallet tight. Maintaining a low temperature since the harvest is crucial. It preserves the delicate grape aroma and prevents any premature fermentation. As the doors open, the cold vapor confirms the temperature is holding steady. These grapes look excellent. Here we focus on contamination control. Every surface is cleaned thoroughly, adhering
water pressure stabilizing at 50 psi. Chlorine concentration is holding steady. Increasing conveyor speed now. Hand picking these would simply be too unsafe, both because of their weight and the delicate nature of the fruit.
The key is the torque control. We calibrate the pressure precisely to squeeze the juice out without crushing the seeds.
This early-stage trend shows a rapid rise that must be controlled carefully.
The user prompt provides a clear narrative and context. Huang is explaining a biochemical process.
Turbidity levels are spiking in stage 3.
Okay, slowing the flow rate now. That should stabilize it.
From giant grapes in the vineyard to final wine ready for the world.